can twist, turn, curve, slow down or speed up, just as a space can. You have mountains and valleys, planets and stars, all variation of matter occupying space. Where does time fit into it all? Gravitational physics. Gravity is one of the four fundamental forces. Einstein's general theory of relativity is central to understanding frontier astrophysical phenomena such as black holes, pulsars, quasars, the final destiny of stars, the Big Bang, and the universe itself. Gravitational physics is thus a true frontier science. Its important applications lie at both the largest and the smallest distances considered in contemporary physics. On the largest scale, gravitation physics is linked to astrophysics and cosmology. On the smallest scale, it is tied to quantum elementary particle physics. These two frontiers become one at the Big Bang, where the whole observable universe today is compressed into the smallest possible volume. The classical theory of gravity has its direct application for large-scale distances. Black holes. General relativity predicts that the black hole is created whenever mass is compressed into a volume small enough that the gravitational pull at the surface is too large for anything to escape, including light. The surface that defines a black hole is called event horizon. Mass, information, and even observers can fall through it. But in classical physics, nothing can emerge from it. Black holes themselves are dark, but the strongly curved fabric of space-time is a witness to some drama at the cosmic level. Matter falling towards a black hole goes into orbit about it, creating a hot disk that is the source of radiation from X-ray sources. Black holes are behind gamma-ray burst. By measuring this time delay, the receiver can compute its distance from the satellite. Hence, the receiver lies on the sphere of radius d, centered at the satellite location. Intersection of two spheres is a circle, and intersection of this circle with a third sphere narrows down to 2 points. One of these points gives the correct location.